Hey, all right, let's go over how to draw Zooble from the Amazing Digital Circus, okay? It's gonna be super easy for beginners, short video. Let's do it, all right? Okay, first thing we're gonna do with Zooble. Zooble is like an asymmetrical, bizarre looking character. So we're gonna go over here, we're gonna draw a line across for Zooble's head, which is pretty much just a triangle or a wedge of cheese shape kind of thing. Down to the side over here a little bit to give it some depth. Line over here. Well, I mean, we're gonna throw a thin line right here on this side as well, but I want to make sure the angle matches right there. Up, down. Over here now. Circle for the eye, for one of the eyes. Go over here. Circle, and I'm going to try to make it a little bit smaller, but it doesn't have to be much smaller. Another eye right here. Oh, Zooble. Go right here. Line across to have, like, you know, the eye half closed. Line straight over here. I think the big thing with this character is that it's asymmetrical. That's kind of a, you know, big thing about it. Curve over here. And we're gonna fill it in. The whole channel is getting a lot more views. I want to thank you guys. You guys are amazing, really. You guys are the most amazing thing. The reason I stuck around. I'm just happy that you guys, I'm happy to talk to you guys every day. So, like I said, reach out to me. I might start doing lives again soon. I'm not really sure yet, but what I want you to do is I want you to at least hit the like button, or at least say, hey, what's up? You know, like in the comments, because I'm gonna respond to everybody that says hi or line across for the little mouth. We got a little stick up here. This is just like a random assortment of stuff. Little stick up here. Maybe more to the right here. Give a little thickness to that stick. Out over here. Out over here. It's like a Y. Give a little thickness to that Y right there. And we're going to throw some stripes on just that Y. Okay? Good, good. Over here now. We're gonna draw a zigzag on the other side. Nothing too wild. I'm just gonna do a zigzag. It's like number 3 or I don't know, a W. And then give that a little thickness. When I say give that a little thickness, I'm saying give something a repeated pattern right next to it and then connect it, right? Doesn't matter how thick it is, to be honest. Line over here for the neck. Curve down. Over here, a bean shape for the body. Pretty much like literally a bean bag, like a bean shape. Literally. Gonna go over here, some sort of like necklace or medallion in the front. So it's just a circle right there. Another circle that's smaller to give that like a hole right there. All right. Line over here for the hand. Give that thickness, okay? So that's gonna be our, like, give that like that shape, that line, a thickness to it, okay? Right there for the edge of the glove. Out over here for a finger, then the thumb. I always draw that like that clam hand, and then out over here, down over here. Over here on this side, zigzag. Out, give that thickness. Circle for kind of like a ball joint, screwed up ball joint. Down over here, curve. From my impression, it feels like whoever designed this tried to make the most abnormal looking character they could make. That's the way I think of it. Curve around the hand right there. Down, boom, boom, boom. Claw, down, dun, dun, dun. Over here, downward, downward, down, down, downward, out, and we got that shoe right there, like a shoe shape. go over here on this side, and I would say let's start with a ball here in the middle. That weird ball joint thing. Wiggly line up there, and then again, give that a little bit of thickness right there, okay? Don't forget, if you'd like to learn how to draw cute stuff, there's a free ebook for you waiting in the description. Go check that out. It's basically 20 pages on how to draw something adorable and cute. If you have something that you like really want to draw adorable and cute, definitely do it right. Do it when you can. All right, let's go over here now. Down, curve under, and then there's like a swirl on that side. Like totally abnormal character. And then pull that line down to give that character thickness. There's gonna be one wing on this character, okay? Out over here, down. It's gonna be shown behind there. Over here now, there's gonna be polka dots on the actual bean shape. So there's gonna be polka dots over here. So try to draw thin lines if you can, but that thin, it's gonna be random, right? Wherever you want. Like Yoshi's egg from Mario, something like that. Circle right there. Circle right there. And circle right there. Just to give it, again, some, some pattern on it, right? You want to make it read as a pattern, and that's very important to do so. Okay, a couple of things. On this eye right here, we're going to draw some eyelashes on the bottom. Okay? Okay, so far so good. And we're going to give this character a little bit of depth. Not too much, because these characters don't really have a lot of depth in my opinion, but right here I'm going to draw a little bit of dark line underneath maybe some areas that might receive shadow, like right there. Like, see, if it's aiming downward, usually the sunlight's coming from above, right below the waist here a little bit. Maybe around the edge. A lot of this is like going to be like an opinion on your part. I want to know how creative you can be, right? Maybe right here under the arm, just a bit, nothing wild, and maybe under the arm over here. Just a bit. And this is something we used to do when I drew caricatures at a theme park. Right there. We would draw a thicker line at the bottom, and it's like a pseudo shadow. It kind of grounds the drawing just a bit, And again, you can do it as much or as little as you want. You can do it around the edges right here, but whatever's aiming downward, kinda. That's the rule. That's just a trick for you to try out on your drawings. Okay. Let's do another drawing together, okay? Well, hopefully you liked the video if you watched to this point, and what I really want you to do is to share the video. That's a huge thing, and really I want to talk to you guys too. Talk to you in the next video, but let's do another one together right now, okay? Let's do another video together right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's gonna be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.